Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to easily manage your radio station history, clear recent stations, and remove favorites from your Tesla Model 3. Tesla's infotainment system provides user-friendly controls for radio management, ensuring a clean and personalized experience. Let's dive in. First, tap the media icon shaped like a speaker on your Tesla's touchscreen. This will open the media player. Next, select Radio or Tune to access the radio interface. Here, you'll find options to browse stations, manage favorites, and view your recent radio history. The Recents or History tab displays a list of recently tuned radio stations, including FM, AM, SiriusXM, or online streams. This list stores approximately 50 to 100 entries, depending on usage, and provides quick access to your frequently listened to stations. These stations are stored locally. To delete a single station from your recent history, start by long pressing the station name on the touchscreen. When you long press, a delete icon in the shape of a trash can will appear next to the station. Simply tap the delete icon to remove the station from your recent history. The action is immediate. Once tapped, the station disappears from the list, keeping your recents organized. For a faster way to clear your entire recent history, look for the Clear All button in the top right corner of the Recents tab. This feature was introduced in software version V12 and later. Tapping Clear All will remove all stations from your recent history with a single action, streamlining the process. To manage your favorite radio stations in the Tesla Model 3, start by switching to the Favorites tab in the radio interface. Once in the Favorites tab, you'll see your saved stations. To remove one, long press on the station name. After long pressing, a pop-up menu will appear, offering options including Delete. Tap Delete to confirm and remove the station from your favorites list. Important note, unlike the Recents list, favorites do not have a Clear All option. Each station must be deleted one by one. It's important to know that your recent radio station history is stored locally on your vehicle's central computer and is not uploaded to Tesla's servers. This ensures your listening habits remain private. Deleting your history only affects the current vehicle and does not impact other Tesla products or accounts you may have. If you experience any lag or slow response times while managing your radio history, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that improve system performance and address common issues. Also, remember that clearing your recent history does not affect your saved favorites. Favorites are stored separately and will remain in your list even after clearing recents. Regularly managing your radio history can improve the overall infotainment experience in your Tesla Model 3 by keeping the interface organized and responsive. Thanks for watching.